What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here. Today I'm going to be installing some aftermarket air conditioning knobs. I got these ones here off of, I believe it was AliExpress or eBay. Got here pretty quick, about 8 or 9 days for international shipping. So I'm just changing the factory knobs over to some rounded ones here that just look a bit more modern. I'll take them out of the packet a little bit and show you guys what they look like before I put them on, but yeah, just thought I'd record a little tutorial and show people how to do it. Right, so here are the new knobs. Got 3 of them. They're all metal with a plastic backing. Got to make sure you pick the right model for your car, as some of them have a different insert pattern behind the plastic here, so make sure you choose Mark II Focus or ST or something like that, or XR5, just to be specific so you don't get the wrong ones. But yeah, so easiest way to do it is turning all the knobs to a middle portion like that, so they're all kind of in line, and then using a tool. I've just got some pliers here with some duct tape just to protect them, because the plastic on the edges of them aren't honestly that strong. I don't want to damage them. I want to kind of protect them as much as I can. So I'm going to carefully just pull each one of them out. So I've taken one of the knobs out. Just got to be careful that you don't put too much pressure on it. I've got a little tiny mark, as you can see there, but it's honestly not too bad. Just got to kind of grab onto it and yank, so you can kind of pull them out from the position. So you just get it in there. Alright, so ignore the fan noise. But yep, so I've got them in here, and I've also just kind of put the lights on so you can see the LED comes through. So it looks a lot better. Planning on, I think you can get these lights behind changed to blue. Obviously that's the theme I'm going with for the car. So I'm just going to keep these factory ones on hand with me, just in case these ever have any problems. Highly doubt it, but you never know. Alright, so I've got 2 knobs in here. I've adjusted this one just to the way I currently have it in my car. Got to make sure you use the right pinpoints here on the plastics. So as you can see there, it's got like a little sort of star pattern, so you just got to kind of line the 2 of them up with the indicator at the top and then push them in. So you get that there, and then you just push it in, and there you go. Looks far more modern. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for the support on the channel lately.